Murimi Munhu by Oliver Mtukudzi from the 2001 album Vuma Tolerance. Each time I listen to this song, I'm always in awe at how Tuku managed to make a song about farming sound so good. Seriously, who writes about farming in pop music and makes it work? Asha? Beyonce? Michael Jackson? Nah. The reason I say this song is a love letter to farming is because it genuinely sounds like a love ballad. If you don't understand the Shona words in the song, you won't believe he is crooning about soil and crops. Because its acoustic, arrangement, the melody, and the compelling backings are the caliber of smooth, soothing, and slow tempo rhythms you usually find as background music to a love letter in a film. But it is a love letter to every type of farmer out there who are working hard on the field to put the food on our tables. When it was his day, I believe no artist in the world can string together a compelling melody like Oliver Mtukudzi. And all I can say, listen to this intro. It was definitely one of those good days at the office. Every second in this song is just pure magic, especially the opening of the song. From the first string of his folk guitar, the sound just draws you into his calming melody. Then the oohs and the ahs, the backing vocals of the ladies. And finally, then Tuku comes in with that rough voice of his. At this point, you're just wondering, what did his wife say him the night that made him write this stuff? The song really is a masterpiece, and as someone who did Bachelor of Arts back in university, I don't use this term lightly. In terms of the sound, the pitch, the tone, the delivery, the song is just perfect. The ladies who backed the song should have been given credit because they were so amazing too. They really understood the vision of the guitarist. Their refrains added a certain sincerity and this timely African richness to his message. Vocally speaking, they almost stole the song from Mtukudzi himself. Their refrains throughout the whole song blend in so well with his sailing guitar line. You do not even notice how the word Kujka is repeated all over the record by these ladies. It is the single best use of poetic refrains I have ever heard in a song. Not only are the refrains sound well, they are also skillfully arranged to convey the message of agricultural appreciation in the song, a recognition of just how much our lives are held together by farming. Every kind of person, from hunters, dealers, writers, musicians, leaders, teachers, children, the elderly, basically everyone who get to eat and live off what farmers deliver on our tables every day and every night. In fact, agriculture is the economical backbone of most African nations, if not all of them, such as Zimbabwe with tobacco, Kenya with tea, Botswana with cattle, Cote d'Ivoire with cocoa or cashew nuts, Nigeria and South Africa with maize, Burkina Faso with cotton, Malawi with fish. You name them. They all have a specialized produce each set of their own citizens, even the whole world depends on. In fact, Africa's food and agribusiness market is to reach over $1 trillion by the year 2030. This is the observation that led Tuku to conclude that yes, The earth is the soil and the soil is the earth. This means our very lives vitally depend on agriculture. So it is rather crazy that most of the youth these days, they sort of overlook the importance of this department, leaving it only to the older generation. Farming is for everyone, man. There is nothing embarrassing about it at all, because it is strange and disappointing that these type of issues are rarely, if at all, touched in African popular music. It is a testament to just how the youth have lost themselves to the Western culture when they leave these immediate issues because they are too consumed by topics that are just sort of alien to our real African values.
I'm seeing more inferiority complex than creativity. Our youngsters today want to sound like somebody else. And who they are is shunned down. They think it's not worth it. And yet, we are no inferior at all in Africa.
Singing about swag, hoes, drugs, strippers, and even Lamborghinis they probably don't even have. I think, for me, that's one of the major things that set Tuku apart from most artists I have heard. The versatility of his themes that were not only different but exclusively central to our lives as Africans. I have never heard a song like this, and as it seems, maybe never again. It is truly special and is one of a kind, particularly because of the subject matter. If you are a farmer, whether it be crop, horticulture, livestock, and you are feeling a little short on motivation or just feel a little underappreciated for your craft, listen to the words as he and his jazzy lady softly croon. Murimi Munhu by the legend is definitely a must hear. Even if you are not into farming right now, it will really inspire you as well as even change your whole perception about agriculture. Murimi Munhu, for taking on a topic that isn't taken on by most artists alone, is good enough for it to be a 5-star song. Also, taking it on with so much musical quality is enough to make Murimi Munhu not only iconic but even a national heritage. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Mimsi Africa.